Yeah, check this out. Look at this gorgeous view of the Sunset Cliffside Beach here in San Diego. Right now, just facing the beautiful sunset. So gorgeous, darling. So gorgeous. Oh, look at them crashing waves. Oh, what? This is so awesome. Damn, look at this. They even have a bridge that's like so wide, so long, so elongated. Like nothing I've seen before. Better than most piers I've ever crossed. Man, I'm so glad I came here today. Gotta love this day. Woo! Whoa, shit! Whoa, we gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. Oh my god. Okay. Well, there's more to see out there for sure. So too hood, man. All right. Check out that sunset again. So gorgeous. All right, cut the fucking tape.